If your home has suffered from any kind of water damage, we are here to help. Stay until the end of the video. I will give you one tip to mitigate the water damage and also how you can find us. How long should water cleanup take? Full restoration consists of two major phases. The first, mitigation, consists of demolition, cleaning and drying out the structure and belongings. This phase usually takes no more than 3 to 4 days. The second phase, repairs, can range from a few days to a couple of weeks depending on the degree of damage and lead time of materials such as carpeting, cabinets, or other flooring materials. DFW Restoration is completely familiar with the stress and injury brought on by water damage and in some cases the long process of getting your residential or commercial property back to its normal condition. Besides the physical damage in your residential or commercial property brought on by water or flood damage, the disturbance of your life can take a psychological toll on you and your family. DFW Restoration uses the latest technology including infrared and thermal imaging video cameras, dehumidifiers, turbo and axial air movers, fans, and high-performance particle air filters (HEPA) to restore your home's safety and convenience. Having a knowledgeable and qualified water damage expert over somebody who is not trained in the field is very important. Improper or inadequate repair work resulting in more damage down the roadway can happen if you do not select carefully. DFW will work straight with your insurance adjuster and will carry out every aspect of the work to get you back to normal as quickly as possible. DFW Remediation Service Technicians are accredited by the Institute of Assessment, Cleansing and Repair Certification (IICRC) registered. We will help you mitigate the water loss quickly and efficiently to minimize the damage done to your house, office, or organization and prevent secondary damage such as mold, wood dry rot, and structural damage. Call us 469-620-8443. If you require to hire the best water damage repair company, then reach us at 469-620-8443.